ठीक है भाई, रिलेशनशिप में अगर एक बहुत बड़ा चेंज आने वाला है तो आप उस चीज़ के लिए रेडी हो, क्योंकि आपके पास जो इस बार एनर्जी आ रही है वो किंग की एनर्जी आ रही है, ठीक है। तो कहीं ना कहीं आपने जो सही बात रखी है अपने पार्टनर के सामने, आप उस चीज़ में डोमिनेट करोगे इन सच अ गुड वे दैट दे विल ऑल्सो कंसिडर योर पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स, वट एवर यू आर सेइंग दे आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर दैट। बट because of third party intervention, there may be some chances that they are going to cheat on you, or they have already cheated on you, and that's one of the reason you are feeling very heartbroken, shattered, and somehow you're also feeling like why this thing has happened to me, because this is something which I don't deserve it. I have always given love in this relationship, so why I'm not getting it? So your answer is here, your answer is universe is exceptionally telling you via connecting you with you that your karma is releasing. So when we try to resolve our karmic relationships with somebody, then this happens, but you are going to take it in a very positive manner, in a way that you're going to push yourself and you're going to achieve very very good things into your life, and that is your goal, and that is something which you have set for yourself. So this is a very good thing. And also, whenever you feel like that you need somebody's help, then please do not hesitate to ask for the help, because that is what you needed. That is what you needed right now to heal yourself, to avoid that trauma. So it's fine if you're talking about your trauma, or you are sharing your feelings with somebody, then this is fine. Why I'm saying it, because when you share these things with somebody whom you trust a lot, or if you are sharing it with the close ones, then why we think that this is a big deal? No, this is not. If you're trusting somebody, you can share it. And if you find that there is nobody who can listen to you, and if you are in a doubt that nobody is going to listen, or they are not ready to take it, then please come to me. I'm going to hear everything, whatever you will say, and of course I'll suggest you whatever the good points will be for you. So एक चीज़ जो आपको बहुत ध्यान रखनी है अपने रिलेशनशिप में, और जो आपके पार्टनर ने सोचा कि यार ठीक है, उनको ये भी कहीं ना कहीं जो ज़रूरी नहीं है, देयर इज़ नॉट 100% श्योरिटी ऑफ दैट दे आर गोइंग टू चीट ऑन यू, और दे हैव चीटेड ऑन यू, बट ऑल्सो दे मे हैव अ चांस दैट दे आर थिंकिंग दैट यू आर चीटिंग with them. So that's also one of the reason they are behaving in a certain manner which is not in the favor of this relationship, and this is something which is actually hurting you. So just figure it out that what's the serious matter, and you need not to worry. Why? Because angels are with you. ठीक है? So always listen to your gut feeling, trust your intuition, whatever it says, just do that. And in spite of everything that you are thinking in your mind, just discuss it, communicate clearly with your partner. Okay, so they are also going to come to you, and they are going to discuss each and every aspect of the relationship, because they think that this is something which is a kind of mature step which they should take into this relationship. So if you are also thinking the same thing, then just take that initiative and go to them, talk about these things, and take that decision wisely. Also do not add all. Actually उन्होंने इतना बहुत ज़्यादा सोच के खुद का हेल्थ को डिग्रेड किया है, कहीं ना कहीं इग्नोर किया है, कि नाउ दे नीड यू इन अ वे कि आप उस चीज़ को उनको बताओ कि हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट यू आर and how important this relationship is for you, because they want something, they want to hear this out from you, because they have made it priority, and now this is a time where they need some support from you. Also, if you want to take this relationship ahead as they want to, somehow they want to in a corner, but they are not very sure of it because of some other energies. Sometimes they think that you are the soulmate of theirs, sometimes they think though you are not the one. So what should they do? Actually, अगर आपको भी ऐसा सिचुएशन लग रहा है, then as I always say, ask for the help either from the universe or from your friends or family, because they are the one who is going to give you proper sort of advice related to your feelings. They'll help you to sort your feelings out. And if these are the kind of people which you have already met in your life, then you just go ahead and discuss this and take this conversation ahead on some another level, so that you'll also understand and you'll also figure out your feelings, which is very important for you, for your family, for your friends, because that's how you create that vibration in the surrounding. And if you'll not feel happy, how will others feel happy whenever they'll be in the company of yours? So think about it and take decision इन दैट मैनर कि वो आप लोगों को एक पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट देखने को मिले उस चीज़ का, rather than doubting on your partner or anything, because they are coming to you and they are going to discuss these things about this relationship, and somehow जो भी problems आ रहे हैं they are going to tell you. and अगर कुछ होता है कि उनको नहीं समझ आता है फिर भी, तब हो सकता है आप या उनमें से कोई एक डिसीजन लो कि लेट्स ब्रेक अप मेरी जान. So thank you so much guys for listening to me, and if you like my readings then please subscribe to my channel if you like so, and stay tuned.